Phonics 5. Activity 1. Listen and say OW, ow, ow. Town, brown. OU, ow, ow. Mouse, house. Activity 2. Listen and chant. Then underline the ow sounds. The brown house.
In a small town, there is a brown house. A cow is on the house and it can't get down. It can't get down.
Activity 2. Listen and chant. Then underline the ow sounds. The brown house.
In a small town, there is a brown house. A cow is on the house and it can't get down. It can't get down. In a small town, there is a brown house. A cow is on the house and it can't get down. It can't get down.
One. Write 5 words that come to your mind when you think of Malaysia. Then listen and read the text about Malaysia.
Malaysia. Malaysia is home to about 32 million people. There are many Malay, Chinese and Indian people as well as Ibans, Kadazans and Punjabis. They've all got different customs, traditions and languages too. Of course, they all have something in common. They're proud to be Malaysian. This is why every year, on the 31st of August, they celebrate Independence Day, or Hari Merdeka, all together. On that day, everyone can enjoy colourful parades and fireworks. The streets are full of people and Malaysian flags. The Malaysian flag has got 14 stripes and a blue canton with a yellow crescent, as well as a star with 14 points. The number 14 is a symbol of unity between the 13 states of Malaysia and the federal territories of Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya and Labuan. The flag has got a nickname too, Stripes of Glory or Jalur Gemilang. The national animal of Malaysia is the Malayan tiger. It's strong and brave like the Malaysian people. Like the flag, the Malayan tiger has got a nickname too, Uncle Stripes or Pak Belang. The national flower of the country is the hibiscus. Its red color is a symbol of courage and life. The Malaysian people respect each other and are proud of their country.